How to get rid of grudges. Hi guys, I'm Aditi Patil. I'm hypnotherapist, CBT practitioner, EFT practitioner, NLP practitioner, Akashic record reader, tarot card reader and Reiki master. I'm not just telling you how to get rid of grudges because I have theoretical knowledge, but because I have been through such situations, such experiences where I have been through disputes and conflicts with family members. So there were some people in my life who never allowed me to be myself, and they ill-treated me. So I have been holding grudges against them. I was angry, I was sad, and I was feeling really bad about myself. I was not accepting myself. I started hating myself. So I changed my life, I changed my personality, I transformed my life completely. And so I am here to tell you how to get rid of grudges and how to become free. When you are holding grudges, you are holding anger, you are drinking poison and expecting someone else to die. And what you are doing with yourself, you are suppressing those emotions. You are getting angry, but you are not expressing that anger. You are not expressing those grudges, or you are holding that revenge kind of attitude inside you against that person, but you are not expressing it. So you are suppressing it, and it is getting manifested as a disease in a physical body. From emotional body, it gets converted into a physical disease, and you don't even know that disease has arisen because of your emotional suppression. So how to get rid of those grudges? First step, acknowledge the hurt. First of all, acknowledge the hurt. What are the incidences? What are the things? What are the behavior patterns? What are the dialogues that have hurted you? Acknowledge that. Try to find out the root cause behind it. Second, try to find out the root cause behind that, all the scenario, all that incidents. Third step, try to get into their shoes. Try to empathize. Try to look at the same scenario from the other person's perspective and try to look at that scenario from their point of view. So you will understand the exact situation. You will understand that that person is not so bad. He has not made injustice to you. That situation was complicated. You will understand that, and you will be able to forgive that person easily. You will be able to release grudges very easily. So fourth step is you are supposed to forgive that person fully and completely from bottom of your heart. And fifth step is you are supposed to ask for apology. You are supposed to ask for forgiveness. You are supposed to say sorry to that person, or at least imagine inside your mind that you are asking for forgiveness. You are sorry for what you were thinking about that person, the intentions that you were holding inside your mind about that person. You are sorry for that. So you are going to ask apologies. So these are the 5 steps to release the grudges from your mind, and you will be able to feel lighter after doing this exercise, and you will be able to heal your heart. You will be able to heal those memories and incidences, and you will be able to improve the relationship with that person. So if you have liked my video, like, comment, subscribe and share. And if you have queries or suggestions, you can comment below. If you want to avail session from me, you can get my number and my address in the description box below. Thank you for watching my video.